5 months ago, I made a video on going from 0 to 100 clicks in 28 days. Now, we just passed 10,000 clicks in 28 days. Here's a quick update. All right, so what this is about is my video here from the 27th of September. I'm walking through the changes or the things that I did to go to 100 clicks. And essentially, just go ahead, watch that video. This is just an update, but we're sitting at 17,000 clicks over 3 months, with that being over 10,000 just in the last 28 days. And we've really done nothing different than what I outlined in that video. Just keep posting more of the same content, going in, doing some updates to the internal linking, and yeah, then just waiting and seeing. And we're make around 2,000 US dollars now every month with this purely on autopilot. There's some support work, but that's not on our end. Our partner Jen is doing that. So for us as the technology partner, there's no work involved. And I'm quite happy with where this is going. I think we'll see some more growth, but we have kind of put new content production on hold for now, as we've covered most of the low-hanging fruits for our clusters, which are eulogies and funeral speeches and things like that. And we might make some more changes to our kind of pillar blog posts, because for the short tail eulogy examples and how to write a eulogy, which by far get the most clicks, really, of all these keywords per keyword, we still have some rooms to grow. And that will boil down to going into the long tail blog posts and improving the internal linking to those short tail blog posts, with the idea of getting people from the long tail blog posts into the short tail blog posts and spending time on there, engaging with it, showing Google that it's great content, that people get value out of it. And then, yeah, hopefully over time that will go up. Another thing we can do is backlinks specifically to those pages. But yeah, I think we're going to try internal linking first. And then if that doesn't work, we'll see if we can raise authority that way. But yeah, that's just a quick update on how it's been going, and more or less proof of, the initial hypothesis of it, that it works. It will just take some time, as you can see here. But essentially, we've gone from August, 0 clicks, 1 click, something like that within half a year, July, to 10,000 clicks a month, which I think is quite good. And with that, I'll leave you. And yeah, definitely check out the other video and do it yourself. Alrighty. Cheers.